This tutorial will provide a step-by-step guide for creating a campaign to recruit for a payroll manager. Before creating a campaign, ensure that the account has been fully configured. Click on Organization. Users menu option. All those who will be working on the campaign should have user accounts set up and activated. Click on Roles. Select the Finance Organization unit. Check that the campaign's vacancy role has been created and that it is active. Click on Questionnaires. If applicants are going to be requested to complete questionnaires, check that the questionnaires have been created and that they are active. Click on Campaigns. Click on Create Campaign. Select the campaign's policy. Select the Finance Organization unit. Click on Continue. Assign the campaign a reference and a name. To automatically assign the selected organization unit's users to the campaign, select Create Team from OU Users to Yes. Select the role of the vacancy. If the required role is not displayed, check that the role has been defined and that its status is set to active. Enter any internal notes for the campaign. Select the country's standards to be used. Select the interview location. Select the job location. If the required interview or job locations are not available, then address records should be created and assigned to, or inherited by, the selected organization unit. Enter the campaign's primary administrator's contact details. The reference details are set according to the policy's information. If necessary, they can be changed. Likewise, if required, the assigned policy can also be changed. Indicated what stage of the recruitment process the recruiter will make it mandatory for applicants to provide a photograph. Enter the campaign's recruitment budget to cover advertisement, recruitment agency fees and other sundry costs. Enter a target date for an offer to be made, which will be used to calculate a timeline of milestone dates. The target date can be left blank for open-ended vacancies with no timeline. Enter an email address that will be used for testing the campaign prior to it being launched. Click Save. OK. The campaign's overview will display the key campaign settings. Exclamation marks will be displayed next to sections that have outstanding tasks. Red exclamation marks indicate that one or more task is mandatory. Blue exclamation marks indicate that the tasks are optional. The Setup tab will display the total number of outstanding tasks. Click on Vacancies. Click on the Edit icon. Review the vacancy details. If the information is correct, set the check status to Checked OK. Click Save. OK. If it is a multiple vacancy campaign, additional vacancies can be added using the Add New icon. Click on Recruitment Team. When creating the campaign, finance personnel were automatically assigned to the campaign. To add to the campaign team, click on Edit. Assign the finance director's campaign roles. Click Save. OK. Check that the campaign team's user accounts are activated. Click on Timeline. Check the start and end dates for each of the campaign phases. Check the campaign's application's close date. Click on Edit to change the timeline dates. Click on Requirements. Check that the information being collected is correct and being collected at the right stage of the recruitment process. Add further requirements by clicking on the Add New icon. Change the existing information using the Edit icon. Click on Questionnaires. There are currently no questionnaires assigned to the campaign. If you wish to create a new questionnaire and are authorized to do so, Click on the Go to Organization Questionnaires button. To add pre-prepared questionnaires to the campaign, click on Add. This will list the questionnaires that have been set up for the campaign's organization unit. Check the payroll manager's pre-screening questionnaire. Click on Add Selected. OK. Click on Exit. Click on Edit. If the questionnaire details are correct, mark that the questionnaire is checked. Save. OK. The questionnaire can be viewed by using the preview icon. It is possible to launch a campaign in test mode. Click on Enable Test Mode. Click on the Enable Campaign Test Mode button. OK. A warning will continue to be shown while the campaign is in test mode. In test mode, the recruiter is able to test the recruitment process. All emails that are generated will be sent to the test email address that was specified in the campaign settings. See separate tutorials for details on using the test mode facility. When testing is complete, click on Disabled Test Mode. Click on the Disabled Campaign Test Mode button. OK. Click on Launch. Check the campaign's details. If the campaign details are correct, click on the green Launch Campaign button. OK. When launched, further tabs to control the recruitment process will become available. An email confirming the campaign's launch will be sent to each member of the campaign team.